Guys, ito ngayon palaro ng mga bata. Ayan. Family Fiesta Unified Filipino Community. Ayan. Ito ang palaro ng mga bata ngayon. Ayan. Ayan guys. Wow. Ang gagawin nila ay maglagay sila ng straw dyan sa mga bote. Ayan. Ayan. Yan ang mga...
Anong name ng game, pre? Planting rice.
Anong name ng game?
Planting rice.
Planting rice. Ang tawag nito ay planting rice, guys. Naglagay sila ng mga straw dyan. Yan. Hanggang doon. Ilang bote yan? 5. Yan. Yan. Ito ang... Get ready! Yan. Get ready! Go! Come on! Run! Wow! Yeah! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Wala!
Don't forget to collect as well as pro. Don't forget to collect. Okay, come on, come on. Ian, go get it now. Go get it. Oh, nauna si Mariam.
Bilis! Galing! Bilis!
Ian?
Bilis! Nauna!
Go down. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go! Yan! Pas-pas! Come on! Ayan, good job!
The winning team so far is the middle one, followed by the Oscars group, Oscar and Marcus group, and followed by the group and the Bassett family.
Come on! Yes!
Right, the middle group is leading by 1. You hit the middle group now, all right. Come on, don't give up. 4, there we go. Well done, the lead, yes. Go for it, yes, yes, yes. Go, the third one is catching up. This is brilliant. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? There we go. Oh, you have your stroke.
Ryan, I'm going.
Well done. Doing a good job there.
Planting rice palang tawag niya na game.
Ano pa tawag dyan?
Planting rice daw.
Okay, the weather is back.
Maganda sa mga bata pala, no?
Guys, don't forget, Mark, don't forget to buy tickets, raffle tickets. Baka manalo kayo ng television. Okay? 2 pounds sa television. Yung money namin na makukuha dyan sa our support our group.
Ito ay malaki na.
Yes. Now collect it. There you go, Oscar.
There you go.
He's got 1 more to go.
Come on. There you go. Come on. Yes. Yes. Ayan. Magaling, 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 magaling. Magaling, magaling. Galing, galing.
Collect the straw. Collect the straw. Collect the straw. It's alright. It's alright. Spin it. Spin it.
Go, go. Winning it. Winning it. Winning it. Dito. Iyo, kalimutan niyo yung isa. Sayang. It's alright.
Awesome. Ian, Ian, come here. Come here. Ian, come here. Ian. What's your name? Ian. Ian.
It's alright na, it's alright.
Well done. Ann, nandito pa na si Ann.
Ayan guys. Ayan, enjoy. Nagsaya mga bata. Sayang yun, nakalimutan nyo na kasi yung isa.
An adult game.
Yan.
Oh, adult naman.
Adult naman.
Yung mga
Adult,
naka-pink, yung isang group. Yung mga naka-pink, si Boy. Kaya yan, mananalo ka ng television at chocolate.
Daddy,
You collect the television. Adult game. Mga adults, man. You like to join?
Yan.
Show up. You wanna join?
Adult naman, adult.
Adult game na ngayon. O,
Ito, games naman nila ng adult, guys.
Go, go, go. Oscar. Tuloy.
Adult naman ito, guys.
No pressure, don't worry, no pressure. Now collect the straw. Now collect the straw.
Kanina, mga kids, ngayon naman adult.
Kaya mo yan, Marcos. Go, princess. Competitive yung mga girls, ha. Yan, ayan na, humahabol na si Marcos. Sure, next time yung bottle. Make sure yung bottle nakatayo, ha. Itayo mo yan, pre. Nabasa na siguro yung straw, kaya ganyan.
Ito na yung kon, guys, adult na planting rice.
Right, make sure that you don't knock your bottles down. Yo, welcome, Richard! Hindi ka na ng raffle ticket, Mr. Lakadin. That's it, doing great. And the last one, Chacha.
Ay!
That's good.
Oh! Mga kids! Dito, dito!
Kasi, ba't come here, wala tayong time. Wala tayong time. Go, 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 go! Eh, nandito pa pa kaya? Coaching, coaching! Oy, nandiyan pa sila. Sige, kumain na kayo dyan. Please. They won. Who won? Which group won? The boys or the girls? The one who finished first. The one who finished first. Which are the boys or the girls? Mixed boys and girls. Boys and girls pala mixed pa. Sorry.
Ayan, guys.
If your group win, Oscar, come here then. If you are the winner, come here. Oscar's group. Yeah. Oscar Marcos group. You have to divide this now, okay, among yourselves.
Ayan, guys.
Congratulations.
Ayan, congratulations.
What have we done?
Congratulations sa nanalo.
Okay, next game. How many? Minutes. Oh, are there already 16 groups? Oh, mga sir, halika na kayo. Atong. Guys, bago magsimula. Come on now. For the meantime, habang naghihintay si Eleanor na participant, magparapol na tayo, okay? Magparapol na tayo kasi maubusan tayo ng time. Okay, winner of kettle. glass kettle, okay?
Wow, glass kettle guys. Yan. Yan nga guys. Yan na yung laro nila. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nanonood.
I can do this myself na.
Guys, may game sila oh. Itlog.
Let's step backward.
Oh, ready?
Are you ready? Position.
Position. One.
1, 2, pass. 2 out. Sayawan natin.
An hula hop na game guys. Ayan. Kasama ka sa vlog ko ha. Yan. Yan. Magaling maghula hop kasi to eh. Oh, sample. Oh, di ba?
Kahit pa kayo ng ticket, oh.
Another one.
That's all. Go down. You go on the side.
Another
Next to
ticket,
you.
yellow.
Bottom. It goes
Yellow
up.
ticket. Winner of, sandali lang. Winner of number. 391, 395.
391, 395, yellow ticket.
Ito si Ann. Nanalo, 391 to 395. Congratulations, Ann. Nanalo. Isa pa. Sako prize.
Surprise.
Habang nagpiprepare yung group, okay? You will start the pagkakasimulang game. Sako prize. Ako pipili ha? Kulay green. Green.
Oh, dito si Mark guys.
Pink ticket.
Dito si Mark. Yan o.
Pink ticket. 191 to 195.
Ito ang
You from the other side, you have to cut the hula hoop on your leg like that.
Anyone? Pink ticket. 191 to 195.
ito ang game. Yan, trial. Yan guys, yan. What is the name of this game?
Oh, hula hoop?
Hula.
The name of this game is hula hoop relay. Okay.
Hula hop.
Oh, relay. Very fun. Very
Ayos ah. Maganda. Maganda guys, maganda. Ayos siya. Guys, ang game. Yan. Ay, pag-game na naman tayo dito guys.
Oh, tag-5 by each group. 5 na. So, first and second ang mananalo niya. First and second. Guys, listen.
Pre, yan, may game na naman dito guys. May game. Bali, 4 na line. Ayan.
Tayo na, kasi baka matumpa kayo.
Ito guys.
Walang dati itaw.
Alang iya, delikado to. Mangubyog ka. Come on, Mark! Come on! Ayan na guys. Enjoy. May game na naman dito mga bata.
Ready? Listen, bro. Jump. Ready?
Jump!
Get set. Go! Ay, stand ready. Ready?
Just one. If you got one already, next one. Only one. Okay.
Kumusta? Okay lang?
Ayan, no?
Sama kita sa vlog ko ha.
Sige po.
Yan, shout out.
Hi.
Yan. Taga-saan ka sa atin?
Sa Pangasinan po.
Pangasinan, shout out sa mga taga Pangasinan. Anong pamilya? Anong pamilya?
Lapus family po.
Oh, Lapus family. Ayan.
Taga-Dagupan,
taga-Kuntal,
kamusta kintan?
Oh, yan, mga taga-Dagupan. Naimbag bigat, naimbag malab.
Thank you po, kuya.
Oh, salamat. Anong pangalan mo?
Kim
Kim.
po.
Kim.
Taga-Puntal.
Banan?
Perer.
Perer.
Opo.
Oh. May Perer dito.
Isang taga-Pangasinan po.
Taga-Pangasinan.
Taga Carlos.
Taga San Carlos.
San Carlos din ah.
Oh, shout out, Dagupan.
Taga-Pangasinan din po.
Ampetel, di ba? Magate.
Ambetel is
Ano ang ampetel?
Ambetel is malamig.
Malamig.
Amputang is mainit.
Mainit, ampetang. Ayos ah. Game dito guys. Hilaan daw, hilaan. Hilaan ng tali. Yan oh. Oh. Yan, hilaan.
One more.
Yan ang premyo. Ito ang premyo ang manalo. Yan.
2, 4. Ano na kayo?
5.
Ano kayo?
5.
Bro. Kuya, halika na. Saan ka?
Sige na, hila.
Kuya, bitin. 2.
Ang dami naman din nila doon sa kabila.
Kuya, Bio.
6.
7. Okay, 7. 7 players.
Oh, 7.
Okay.
Ito guys.
Guys, put na ano muna. Baba nyo muna yung tali. Baba muna yung tali.
Ayan guys. So,
1, 2, go!
ayan! Magaling pala to. Odol. Ibig sabihin talok pala kayo kanina. Naputol. Ay.
Oh, ready? Malapit. Ready? Dito, lumapit yung pa dito. Oh, ready? 1, 2, go!
Ang galing pala. Magaling pala to. Ayun. Ayun guys. Ayos. Talo sila dito. Yay! Mayroon silang gift. Yan.
Picture mo kayo.
Yan. Yan. Yan mga nanalo guys.
Ready?
Yan.
Oh.
Yes!
Okay, one.
Tali, guyod.
Okay.
Oh, yosan. Okay ayos. Yung mga laro ng mga bata. Ayan. Dito tayo guys.
It's alright. That's fine.
Game na naman, game. Yung pasahan ng
One
itlog.
step back again, please.
Pasahan ng itlog ito guys.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Pasahan to ng
Wait a
itlog,
minute.
ha?
Ready? 1, 2, pass. Catch.
Catch.
Yes. Okay, one step back again, please. Okay, here goes. Let's see who's good in catching the egg. Are you guys ready? Okay.
Pasahan to ng itlog guys.
Straight line. 1, 2, 3, pass. Catch it!
Ah,
You guys are getting better, eh? Okay, one more. Step back, step back. Step back. Okay, straight line. I want a straight line. Okay, start here, guys. Guys, straight line. Efren, down. Okay, ready. Si Nobby pala to. Nobby! Okay. Pero patayin mo nga yan para makita ko yung sigaw ng mga to. Okay. Ay, sandali. Hindi naka-line up po. Oy, Giselle. Hey, Marcus. Marcus, back, back. Back, ready, okay. 1, 2, 3, pass. Good luck. Oscar! Woo! Oh, get the blue roll, Oscar. Get the blue roll. There's a blue roll there. Can someone give Oscar a blue roll, please?
One step back. You go on the side here.
Okay, give Oscar a blue roll. Oscar, Oscar. Oscar. Uy, hindi ka marunong Tagalog ah.
Ready? Okay, ready? Okay.
You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, pass! Good luck! Wow! One hand catch! Wow! That's good! How many more left?
Hey.
Four pairs. Four pairs. Okay, ready? Shane, ready Shane? Sel? Okay, 1, 2, 3, catch! Throw and catch!
Guys! Love you! Come here! Come here! This side! Come on! Come here on this side! Come on, retreat!
Okay. Ready?
Okay, that's fine. Oh, ready?
Tatlong line na lang guys.
Ready, Cecil?
Yes.
1, 2, throw and catch! Boom! Oh! Unlucky Shane, unlucky, unlucky. Oh! So, 2 more pairs. Okay. What is the price for this, Cecil? 1 boiled egg. Okay, 1 boiled egg.
Baka boiled egg.
Dali lang ha, kita nyo naman gano'n kami kabilis ha, may naglilinis agad. Sorry, Kerr. Thank you, Kerr and Ricky. Very nice of you. Okay, are we ready? Oh, yan ang prize, oh. Okay? Oh, may obstacle yan, ha? Nandyan sila. Thank you, Kerr. Thank you, Ricky. Are ready? 1, 2, wait. Okay, one more time. 3, 2, wait. And throw. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Wow, that was a nice game. Well done, guys. Oh, we have a
Panalo!
Okay, we will welcome
Luto man to!
Infinity Dental.
Ayan guys.
Catherine Renault.
Panalo. Ano naman dito guys? Anong pangalan to na game?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar game.
You need to come back at this line after going round and round. Don't break your line.
Caterpillar game. Yan. Wow.
This is how
May.
mechanics of the game.
Naman. Ah, hindi ko. Kaon, sige, kaon.
Mag-like po niya.
Oh, sige.
Style. Like that. Like that.
Again. Start with Chloe and Ray. Ready, steady, go!
No, come here.
Maganda dito.
Wait. Go. Go. Ganito. Go. Don't break your arm. Come on. Go here.
Tapos na pala dun sa kapila. Yan na. Congratulations. Sila yung nanalo guys dito. Yan. Share the prize. Share the prize. Open it. Yan. Open it. Share the prize. Open it.
Everyone have one.
Yan. Open it. Ayan. Well done. Yan. Alright guys, so ito na. Tapos na yung palaro ng mga bata. Ayan. At saka mga sayaw at mga games nila. Ito na yung last na games. Ito na yung last na games nila guys. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung sinong manalo dito sa games na ito. Ito na yung last. Ayan.
Ready? Okay.
Ito na yung last na game.
1, 2, go!
Ang lakas nila. Ang lakas. Ang lakas nila eh.
Bow, go up here. Balance, yeah, balance. Guys, move there. Move there a little. Move up there.
Ito na yung last nila.
Hindi sila dyan. Oh, ready? You ready? 1, 2, go!
Wala talaga. Was, kinarin mo. Madulas. Dalawa. Panalo sila doon sa kabila.
Cecil, dapat dito. Dapat dito.